Today we have one class property, the distributive property.
Who should I see walking in these woods? Why, it's Little Red Riding Hood. Hey there, Little Red Riding Hood. You sure are looking good. You're everything a big bad wolf could want.
Now that song Little Red Riding Hood kind of goes along with the way that I help the younger students, the sixth graders when I was teaching, understand distributive property. Let's first look at the symbol and algebraically what the distributive property is. A, then in parentheses, B, we get our plus or minus, we're separating the terms, C, and that is going to equal AB plus AC. What's happening here is the A is getting distributed, hence the distributive property, from the A to B, from the A over here to C. We're multiplying both terms inside the parentheses by A. And that's why we thought of Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood distributing her goodies, and we said that B was grandma. And we said from the true story, she also went to grandma's house. They're separated. So that is Little Red Riding Hood distributive property. We multiply everything in the parentheses, all the terms, by whatever's on the outside. This is used not just in algebra to help simplify expressions. When we have variables and we can't combine the terms in the parentheses, it's used in everyday life too when we're multiplying. Let's first look at an algebra example. If I have 3 outside the parentheses, inside the parentheses, I have 2 terms I can't combine, unlike terms. 4y minus 6. I cannot do 4y minus 6 until I know what y is. But I can still simplify this, because I can take and distribute this 3. I can go to grandma's. I can go to grandma's. I'm going to multiply both those terms by 3. 3 times the 4y is 12y. 3 times the minus 6 is minus 18. I used the distributive property, I simplified it. I no longer have the parentheses, I'm down just the 2 terms, no multiplication on the outside. This also can be used to help us multiply numbers in our head quickly. We use the distributive property when we do regular multiplication in the first place, when we set up a standard multiplication problem, but it can be helpful in our head. If we had 6 times 19. Well, instead of looking at this 6 times 19, we can change that 19 into 20 minus 1. Substituting that in for 19, because 20 minus 1 is the same as 19. I can substitute that in. With my properties we learned yesterday, 6 times 20 minus 19. I can do 6 times 20 real quick in my head, 120. I know 6 times 1 is 6, so I can subtract that out and get 114. 6 times 19 is a little harder for me. I did 6 times 9, get my 56, think about carrying that 5 over, right, above the 1, and then do 6 times 1 plus the 5. Here, a little bit easier to do in our head. That is it. This is the distributive property.